In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an app to your Slack workspace and guide you through any potential permission issues you might encounter along the way. Slack is an incredibly versatile tool that allows you to integrate a vast array of apps to streamline your workflow, enhance productivity, or simply make communication more effective within your team. Let's dive right into the process. Begin by navigating to your desktop Slack client. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll find a section labeled More, which you should click. Upon clicking, you may notice different options like automations or tools, depending on your version. Select the Apps option from this list, which will lead you to the Apps view within Slack. Now that you're in the Apps section, you have the opportunity to explore and search for the app you wish to add. This could be anything from productivity tools like Google Calendar to project management apps like Trello. Once you've identified the app you're interested in, click the Add button. Sometimes this might appear as Add to Slack, which serves the same purpose. Selecting this option will redirect you to the app's dedicated page in the Slack Marketplace. Next, you need to proceed with the installation and authorization prompts. This typically involves granting permissions that will enable Slack to integrate seamlessly with the chosen app. It might sound a bit technical, but rest assured, Slack provides clear instructions through these prompts, making the process quite straightforward. Once you've successfully installed the app, it becomes available for all workspace members. They can then connect their own accounts to start utilizing the app's features. This is where Slack's integration power truly shines, allowing each user to personalize their experience to fit their individual workflow needs. For certain apps, after installation, there's an optional but sometimes necessary step. You might need to add them to a specific channel within your Slack workspace, or connect individual user accounts directly to the app. This additional step can help tailor the app's functionality to your team's distinct needs. That's all there is to it. You've now added an app to your Slack workspace, opening up new possibilities for enhancing how you and your team communicate and collaborate. Should you face any permission issues, I recommend double-checking with your workspace admin to ensure you have the appropriate permissions to add apps. If you're eager to explore further, feel free to browse additional apps in the Slack Marketplace. This tool offers an array of options that can cater to nearly every need your team might have. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your Slack experience.